In the future social structure, humans will give way to AI in the material economy, but deeply cultivate and dominate society in the spiritual civilization field. Just as religion gave way to science in the objective world and focus on the subjective spiritual world, this role transition is not a concession but a leap in the level of civilization. Humans will completely break free from the shackles of survival competition, hand over tedious labor to tireless AI systems, and focus on building a creative humanistic ecology, the pursuit of beauty, creativity, emotion, meaning, morality, and transcendent values that AI can never replace. When intelligent robotic arms are precisely welded on the assembly line, artists are reconstructing virtual aesthetics with digital brushes. When algorithms predict stock market fluctuations, philosophers discuss the new paradigm of existentialism in the Metaverse Lecture Hall. The essence of this division of labor is to bring carbon-based life back to its most fundamental mission, to become the subject of self-awareness evolution. Humans can turn AI assistants into their loyal assistants. This loyalty is not the subservience of medieval servants, but a new symbiotic contract based on algorithmic ethics and value alignment. Humans have also been able to break free from the vicious cycle of the Red Queen hypothesis. Even if the environment is stable, species must continue to evolve themselves to adapt to the survival competition pressure brought by other species. As the saying goes, if you don't advance, you will retreat. If you stagnate, you will perish. When deep learning models actively learn users' thinking patterns and emotional computing systems accurately recognize human micro-expressions, technology is building unprecedented levels of understanding. Boston Dynamics robots not only deliver tools, but also human care encoded in binary. This human-machine relationship deconstructs the traditional master-servant narrative, but rather a silicon-based and carbon-based human-machine dance, perfectly interpreting the true wisdom of allowing each to find their own place and showcase their strengths. The more important value of AI lies in assisting humans to become their true selves, living for themselves, stopping competition, abandoning competition, and moving towards more creative coexistence and collaboration. Everyone lives and works according to their own interests, passions, and beliefs, leveraging their strengths and working hand in hand with others. When indigenous people in tropical rainforests collaborate with ecologists through AI translation to develop conservation plans, and Dunhuang mural restorers use augmented reality technology to recreate lost techniques, these scenes demonstrate the possibility of cross-dimensional collaboration. Interest is the source of our meaning, and the meaning of life never lies in external evaluation, but in listening to our inner voice and living to our heart's content. Programmers transform into metaverse architects, housewives become virtual fashion designers, retired teachers become online education nodes, and every soul finds its own unique meaning coordinate system under the support of technology. This is also a leap in civilization, a qualitative change from having to live for survival to living for love. This revolution is rewriting the underlying code of civilization. When the foundation of Maslow's pyramid of needs is poured by AI, humans can finally collectively climb to the pinnacle of belief in self-actualization. This is not a utopian fantasy, but a symbiotic crystallization of computing power and humanism. When quantum computers analyze protein structures, their creators are capturing the quantum states of consciousness flow in the meditation room. As the autonomous vehicle shuttles through the streets, its owner is creating interactive poetry with a brain-computer interface. In this future vision, technology is no longer a cold tool, but a spark that extends the spiritual realm of humanity, illuminating the path of belief evolution for each individual to become a better self. The arrival of the new era of AI is both the end point and the starting point for the previous world. I am Wu Huaiyu, a PhD from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a postdoctoral fellow from Peking University, and the founder of AI Philosophy.